When it comes to doing video marketing for your business, one of the biggest hurdles is actually coming up with effective ideas for video that are going to move the needle for your business. So in this video, I'm going to share with you 5 super simple ways to come up with effective ideas for your video marketing strategy. G'day guys, I'm Ben Amos from Engage Video Marketing, and on this channel I share tips, tricks and strategies to help engage your ideal audience to action through effective video marketing strategy. If that sounds valuable to you, hit that subscribe button and then the bell so you don't miss another video as it releases each and every week. Now, in today's video, what I'm going to actually share with you is a little bit of an extract from a LinkedIn live video I did where I talked about these 5 super simple ways that you can find effective ideas for your video marketing strategy. And stick around to number 5 because that one really is the most powerful way that so many businesses are just not considering when it comes to their video marketing. So let's jump in. Okay, so if you're doing any sort of video for your business, then one of the things that you're probably struggling with is coming up with ideas on a consistent basis. And consistency really is key when it comes to video marketing. Because by showing up consistently with valuable information and providing value, leading with value as it says here on my shirt, to your target audience, then you're going to stay top of mind. You're going to be positioned as the expert that you are. And most importantly, you're going to be building relationships with your ideal prospects in order to move them closer to making the decision to buy from you when it's time to buy from you. So in today's video, as I said, we're going to talk about 5 super simple ways that you can find video ideas for your business. And there's a little sneak peek on the screen there. So I'm just going to go back because we're going to go through each one at a time. Okay. First of all, the first one is as simple as asking your audience. Okay. It sounds super simple and it probably is. But if you take the time to actually ask either your current prospects, your current clients, what do they want to hear from you? What do they want to know? What do they struggle with that you can potentially help them with through a short video? One of my favorite ways of doing this is doing what I call a single question survey. And a single question survey is simply asking in whichever way that makes sense in the way that you interact with your prospects or your clients, just asking them one question that unpacks so much value. And that question usually takes the form of something like this. It says, when it comes to whatever it is that you help people with, so in the example here of video production or video strategy, when it comes to video marketing for your business, what's the one biggest thing that you struggle with? Okay, so that's the single question survey. That's the format of it. Now you can rephrase that for your business. So if you're a financial planner, when it comes to saving for your retirement, what's the one biggest thing that you struggle with or one biggest concern that you have? Okay, this single question survey is so powerful because when you can get answers from people, it can unpack so much about what is really behind the value, the information that you could potentially share with them. Okay, you with me? So first one is just ask your audience. Ask them the right questions and then show up for them with the answers, okay, through your video content. Simple as that. Number 2 is, and this is one of my favorites, is using YouTube's auto suggest function. Okay, and I'm going to give you a demonstration of this in just a moment. But basically the idea here is going to a YouTube window, just to youtube.com, not to a specific video, just to the YouTube search bar and start typing in something around your topic of interest or your area of expertise. And then see what YouTube throws up as what people are searching for. So YouTube's a very powerful search engine and connected with Google. So if you can tap into this and use the auto suggest functionality of YouTube to actually expose what are people searching for on the platform, and this could become then content for your video marketing strategy. Not even if you're using it on YouTube itself. So maybe you're publishing videos on LinkedIn or on Facebook or on Instagram TV, but using YouTube's functionality like this can reveal a lot of possibilities. I'm going to give you an example of this. We'll just flip on over to YouTube here, and I'm going to start typing into the search box here, just a simple term. Let's just go with video, if I spell it right, video marketing. So here on the screen, you can see that without pressing return, without pressing enter and actually searching the term video marketing, YouTube's auto-suggest is showing me a bunch of different options that may be valuable for me to create content around. For example, video marketing 2021, so up-to-date content about video marketing for real estate agents, video marketing for business, video marketing for restaurants, video marketing ideas for real estate agents. You can see these are obviously highly searched terms, so that may form good ideas for your video content. Let's try another example here into the auto-suggest on YouTube. So let's just go with weight loss. Okay, so here it starts to throw up new examples. So maybe you're a fitness or a weight loss coach or business. So weight loss journey, weight loss hypnosis, weight loss exercises at home, weight loss meals, weight loss yoga, weight loss TikTok. I don't know exactly what that's going to throw up, but you can see you can start to get ideas just by playing around with this idea of using the auto-suggest on YouTube. Okay, so let's move on to way number 3 to find video ideas for your business. And this is one of the age-old ways of actually finding content ideas. And it's relevant for video marketing, but also for blog articles and so on. And that's the idea of doing keyword research. Now, you've probably heard about this idea of keyword research before, and you've probably undertaken some sort of keyword research when crafting your website. But when we're doing keyword research in the world of video marketing or for video ideas, we need to filter it through a different lens. It's not just about, ranking for certain keywords that we're trying to create content to rank for. Instead, we're looking for patterns of human behavior. We're looking through the keyword research data that we can gather for ideas that help us get clearer on what sort of information do people want from us. And that forms the basis of ideas for your video content. So some of my favorite keyword research tools, which we won't go into a lot of detail here, but you can go and check them out, is UberSuggest by Neil Patel. So just search for UberSuggest, UberSuggest. And the other one is Keywords Everywhere. Now, UberSuggest is free for quite a lot of functionality, and Keywords Everywhere is very cheap to secure what you need to get the right amount of keywords searched. So very easy to use, very simple tools, UberSuggest and Keywords Everywhere. Okay. Let's move on to number 4. Number 4 is this idea that marketers call social listening. And what we're talking about here with social listening is just being part of your audience. Okay, so as a video creator or a business looking to create valuable videos for your audience, you need to hang out where your audience hangs out. So what it means by social listening is being part of Facebook groups or LinkedIn groups or following certain other pages that are in your niche or in your industry and listening for what people are commonly asking about that you can help them with. Maybe it's social listening within your own social media pages as well. What are the common questions that you get? What are people commenting that they need to know more about? How can you craft your video ideas around what's being shared and what you can find when you're paying attention or listening in those social networks that are around your niche area of expertise, your industry, or your business? So social listening, number 4. And to wrap it up here, number 5 is ask your sales team. Whoever your sales-focused people in your organization are, they're the people that are at the ground face or the cold face or the chalk face or whatever that phrase is. They're the people who are hearing common questions, objections, or concerns from your ideal target audience. And they're hearing that through the sales process. But if you can create content in your video marketing strategy that is based around these common objections, these common questions, these common areas that require clarification in your business or in your niche area of expertise or industry, then that can be a super powerful and effective content ideas to wrap your video marketing strategy around. So hopefully that's helpful for you and you can implement that to get some great ideas for your upcoming video marketing strategy. So to run through those again, we're going to ask your audience. The single question survey is a very powerful tool to use there. We're going to use YouTube Auto Suggest. Just play around with there and take notes about what you find that makes sense for your video strategy. Then we're going to do some keyword research using UberSuggest or Keywords Everywhere are my recommendations there. Do social listening. Be active in your communities. Pay attention to what's happening on social media around your area of interest and craft your video strategy from there. And finally, ask your sales team. Ask the people who are on the ground with your customers every day, because they have a wealth of knowledge that can form the basis of effective video content marketing. Right, my friends, I hope you found that useful. And if you want to dive deeper into the world of video marketing for your business, then I encourage you to watch this video right here next. And if you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button and I'll see you in the next video.